Welcome to Monstraw Art. In the first part I showed you how I made this drawing. Here a fast replay of my previous video where I drew Ishowspeed, a popular streamer, and Luffy, the main character from the anime One Piece. Next, I mix epoxy in a cup and pour it over the drawing, which is placed in a makeshift tray made from 2 picture frames. Each layer needs 24 hours to cure. Here, I cut the drawing with a knife to create layers in the epoxy artwork. With a torch, I remove the bubbles from the epoxy. Removing the picture frame was quite difficult, as it was stuck pretty well, as you can see. And now it is time for the final result of this artwork. Please like and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Damn! Fire!